There was a king named Hiranyakashipu. He had a son named Prahlad. Prahlad was a Param Bhakt of God Vishnu. His father did not like any Vishnu Bhakt, so he tried to kill his son. His father sent soldiers to kill him, but God Vishnu saved him. His father threw him from the top of a mountain, but God Vishnu saved him. His father tried to kill him with snake's poison, but God Vishnu saved him. Then one day, the king's sister Holika said, "I am blessed. Fire cannot burn me, so I will kill Prahlad." The king agreed. Holika sat on the fire. Prahlad was in her lap. She used her power for wrong, so her magical power did not work. She was burnt in the fire. God Vishnu saved Prahlad.